Hello, I'm Jeff Chandler, and welcome to another edition of Fire Engineering Training Minutes. In this segment, we're going to show how to properly doff a level B suit after an entry team member has gone through the decontamination line. Doffing procedures to prevent cross-contamination from the outside of the suit back to the rescuer can be very methodical in the doffing process. Follow your department SOPs so far as whether or not you're going to have the entry team member stay on air, or if the person is going to be able to come off of air in a decon line. That is a local jurisdiction issue. In this case, we're going to remove the air pack, and he's not going to be on air. If he was going to be on air, then the air pack, the regulator will stay attached to his face piece. And this air pack would then either be sitting on a stool or being held by an additional decon team member. One of the most important processes in this entire thing is ensuring that the contamination on the outside of the suit does not impact the person on the inside of the suit. So me as the outside person I only touch the outside of the suit. I'm in a decon line, I'd be wearing my appropriate PPE to meet the level of the event as well. So Jed is inside, he only touches the inside of the suit. He's not going to touch the outside of the suit as we begin this doffing process. We're going to start by opening up the front of the suit. The suit is taped so that it is 4 pieces of tape that are overlapped from the bottom all the way around. Each piece has its own pull tab in the event that anything becomes separated. But the idea here is to be able to pull this off in 1 or 2 motions to open up the hood of the suit. That would go into our waste bucket. We then open up the suit to get some shoulder space and open it up. The most crucial part here is any contamination that might have gotten on the outside of the suit. This suit hood is the most likely spot where we're going to encounter cross-contamination from the outside to the wearer on the inside. So what we're going to do to help prevent that, again, I have my gloves on, my appropriate PPE, as I grab them by the back of the head, I reach over the top and begin by pushing forward with my right hand to ultimately invert the suit, and I only touch the inside of the suit when I am sufficiently away from the wearer on the inside. Continuing this process down, we remove 1 shoulder. Then we remove the tape. I'm going to loosen the glove and not fully remove it. Jed on the inside is going to communicate with me and give me a nod and speak and say when his hand is free of the suit. We have this off the shoulder, we're going to bring this suit fabric down. His hand is going to disappear inside of the suit.
There we go.
Are you set?
Yeah. Good.
At which point I can then remove the glove. He still has his inner nitro gloves on in the event that something were to snag, and he has the ability to still protect himself in the area where it's most likely going to happen. We go to the other side and repeat the process. Loosen the glove. Continue with the suit. Get your slack in. Are you set, Jeb?
Yep. Very good.
Now we're going to continue to peel this down like a banana. When I get to this point, he's going to pull his arm out and raise it directly above his head so he doesn't touch anything else. Same fashion here. Now he would have the ability to sit down on a chair. To continue in the doffing process, he takes a seat on a bench, a chair, a stool, whatever you have in your decon line to facilitate the removal of the boots and the rest of the suit. In your decon line, reusable garments should generally go in one section and your disposable garments in another. Your decon team members are being mindful not to kneel while they're operating in the decon line to protect the suit that they would be wearing. We're going to bring this suit down, and our entry team guy is going to stand up in the suit and push the suit down with his feet and make sure his feet are free. At which point, he would be free to step into the edge of the decon line would be set right here. He would step into the cold zone. Next move, because he was in a level B suit, he's going to remove his face piece while he's still wearing his inner nitrile gloves and put that into the decon line in the reusable section. His gloves will then be pulled off and then dropped into the waste receptacle for the non-reusable materials. At this point, he should then go wash his hands and his face and preferably shower if the facilities are on scene. Thank you for watching another episode of Fire Engineering Training Minutes. I want to thank the Guilford Fire Department Hazmat technicians for assisting in this. Stay safe.